Welcome everybody, my name is Ola El Hosseini. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to restrict duplicate values in Excel. In this example I use this sheet to enter the sales transactions, and I want to be sure the user enters the serial number only one time. If the user enters the same serial number more than one time, an alert message displayed to the end user tell him the serial number is already exist. Let me show you how to do it. The first step, I should to highlight the range of the serial number, so I am going to select from A4 to the end of the column, so I press Ctrl Shift and the down arrow. Then I click the Data tab and choose Data Validation. Under Setting tab, from the drop-down list of the Allow, I choose Custom. In the formula, I am going to use the COUNTIF formula. So I type equal and open and type the COUNTIF and type the open the parentheses and enter the range of the serial number. So I type A4 to A1,048,576 and the type separator. The separator could be comma or semicolon depending on your computer setting, and specifies the first cell of the range, so I type A4 and close the parentheses and specify my condition. I type less than or equal 1. This means I want the user to enter the data only one time. And if the user enters the same data more than one time, I want to display an alert message to the user. So I am going to click error alert and type my message. And press OK. Now I type the serial number. If the user types the same serial number more than one time, an alert will be displayed to the user to prevent him from enter the same data more than one time, like this. I hope this tutorial is useful for all of you. See you all of you in another tutorial. Thank you so much.